my name is Cheryl Mosey, and I'm the designer of MinkeeBlue organizational travel and work bags. If you're a woman that carry 2 or 3 bags, I have the perfect bag for you. Or if you're a woman that carries one big tote bag and you just stuff everything in it, then I have the perfect bag for you. MinkeeBlue were designed for the busy woman on the go. You know how we do it. We have to have our heels, we carry our lunch, our laptop, and we need to be organized in a place for everything. I'm going to show you how I designed MinkeeBlue because unfortunately I was the bag lady. So this is one of my designs. This is called the Carly Tote, and it comes in black and it also comes in a beautiful cranberry, but they're made of nylon and a leather, and I'm going to show you how it functions. Normally with our bags, we just carry one big open tote. Well, I've designed MinkeeBlue where you have compartments. So in the bottom compartment, all of the bags come with an insulated insert bag. So I can carry my lunch in here, or my toiletries, or my makeup. And then when I'm not carrying that, I can put my shoes in here, or a sweater, or my workout gear. That's the bottom part of the bag. The top compartment is where I would carry my purse essentials. So my wallet, my keys, my makeup maybe would go on the top here. Anything that I want that I normally carry in my purse. This part of the bag actually is a padded sleeve, so I can put my laptop in here. It fits up to a 14-inch laptop or reading materials or an iPad. The cool thing about the bag is that it actually converts. So I always say it's a bag that works for you because I can unzip this panel here. It's like a shelf here that divides the top from the bottom. So I can unzip this panel, this shelf here, and I can convert the bag from one compartment to two. You can see how this panel is very flexible. So when I unzip that, I can open it up and I can use it as a big tote bag if I choose to. But for now, I'm going to zip it up because I want to show you how I can organize my MinkeeBlue bag. I'm going to take you to the back part of the bag. And on the back part, we actually have a hidden zipper here. So you can use this as a pocket if you want, but if I unzip this pocket here and I slip my hand through, that means I can use it and put it over the handle of a suitcase. That's pretty cool. And then I have my side pockets here, and I usually put my phones or anything like that. So I have some items on the table, and I'm going to show you how I can pack my MinkeeBlue. So I have my lunch here. And so this will eliminate you from carrying an extra lunch bag. So I have some snacks in here and fruit and some water here. And then I can carry a sandwich. And I actually have some room for some other little items, but it's just enough for me to carry my lunch, and it's insulated so I can put it, keep it cool or warm. Or if I wanted to, I can stick it in the fridge. Now, when I'm not using this for my lunch, I can put my toiletries in here when I'm traveling, or my makeup as well. This fits very neatly at the bottom of the bag. And I always say it's incognito, so nobody even knows what's going on at the bottom part of the bag. So you can actually carry your lunch or anything else at the bottom. And then your purse essentials go here. So I have my wallet, tissues, my keys here, and anything else you normally carry there. And then I'll put my phone on the side pocket. And of course, I don't want to go anywhere without my laptop. So that fits very conveniently in the bag. And so there you go. It's like carrying 3 bags in one. I have my lunch, my laptop here, and my purse essentials. Now, I'm going to show you when I'm not using my insert bag for my lunch or makeup or toiletries or anything like that. If I wanted to carry an extra pair of shoes or clothes or anything like that, my shoes, I can put heels in here. And again, it's incognito. I can carry my shoes, and you know how we do. We want to walk around in the city, or we're traveling, we want to put our flats on, but when we get to the office, we want to change up, or if we're going to that meeting, we want to change up and put our heels on. So I have my heels in here. And then, you know, if I wanted to change up later or if I'm going out, I can put a little dress in here. And so now I got a whole change outfit at the bottom of the bag and still nobody knows what's going on. My purse essentials are on the top and I still have my laptop here. So say if I wanted to switch it up a little bit, if I'm not going out after work, if I don't need those heels, say if I want to go work out at the gym, then I can put my sneakers in here and my workout clothes for the gym. And so I usually stack my shoes up. So we have that here. I'll put my sneakers here. And then I have my little workout top and some leggings, my workout leggings. And all of that fits in the bottom of my MinkeeBlue bag. So that's pretty cool. And I always say it's a functional bag. It's a bag that works for you. It's very versatile and you can use it any way you want. So again, I have my workout gear here, my purse essentials on the top and my wallet. And I am ready to go for the day.